Welcome to BVG Automotive. This is the 2016 Jaguar XF 2.0D Portfolio Auto AWD. Finished in quartzite gray with a luxurious Espresso Windsor Leather Interior. At the front, the XF stands out with its signature Jaguar grille, bold bonnet lines, and sharp LED lighting that adds a refined, sporty edge. At the side, it rides on elegant 19-inch alloy wheels, with a sleek saloon profile and electric folding mirrors that complete its executive look. Jaguar's subtle design cues keep it classy, yet unmistakably distinctive. At the rear, the XF features slim LED tail lights, front and rear parking sensors, a reverse camera, and an electric-powered boot lid, all designed for smooth, effortless practicality. Stepping inside, you're greeted by a beautifully crafted interior with Espresso Windsor Leather, heated 14-way electric memory front seats, and a heated windscreen for those colder mornings. Everything is finished to the highest standard, offering true comfort and luxury. In terms of tech, this XF is fully equipped with Apple CarPlay, Bluetooth, DAB radio, and a premium Meridian sound system. The navigation system and touchscreen interface are easy to use, keeping everything at your fingertips. In the back, the rear seats offer excellent space and comfort, ideal for family life or professional travel. In the boot, there's ample room for luggage, golf bags, or business gear, easily accessed with the powered boot lid and soft close door feature for added refinement. For more details, visit bvgautomotive.co.uk or call 0161 399 1629. Quote, registration YY16MZJ to book a test drive or request a personalized video tour.